So, hello and thank you for another one. Part 2 is coming. No, I'm just kidding. My point is, thanks for watching, and if you don't, never mind. I'm here anyway. This is part 2, and this means we release version 0.2 for you guys. So what's new actually? I mean, I don't want to talk about this for a long time. I want to demonstrate it. And if you have the time and opportunity, I want you to download it if you have a chance. And except for that, I also want to thank one of my friends, Andreas Arvidsson, who helped me with this microphone. Really crystal sound. And one of my co-workers, Mikael Sjöland, who helped me with the backlight back of the camera. I think it is something like that. Well, that's pretty much it, I think. So yeah, let's dive into the computer and I will guide you all the whole way of what's the news. Thank you. So let's go inside www.YAIUU.com and download. Are you ready? Here we go. Version 0.2. As best as it can be. Check this out. Check this out. And here we can actually open files like index, the HTML file of index. Yes. And for you guys who doesn't know how version 0.1 look like, I will show you a fast different view. Here is version 0.1. It's just open and show the files of what's included. And here is version 0.2. So the big difference is I can open files here and save. I don't know if it works actually, but I can open files without really reopen the program as I have to do with this one, version 0.1. So yeah, that's basically that I want to show you. This one took 22 kilobytes. I don't know how big this one. This is 6 kilobytes. So it's a big, huge difference. And when it comes to performance and everything like that, I don't know how much. Yes, as you can see, it's 32 bits program. And it takes 1.2 megabytes. I don't know how much the other one take. Let's see that. Make difference of this one. Here we go. Version 0.1. Yeah, it takes more memory as well. So there is a little bit performance gap I can see here. That's good, I think. Still, it's a little bit too much, I think, but we have to think what we can do about that. Yeah, that's pretty much it of version 0.1 and 0.2. I also want to show you this one. This is the statistic from the download of version 0.1. Total 11. And here's the country who has contributed to this kind of test. I really want to thank everybody who made this. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's everything for today. I will be in touch again in what to say, March, I think. March the 1st. yeah, something like that. Thank you very much. Bye.